Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a question paper of 2019 PSC Pharmacist Grade 2. The first question, number of neutrons in iron 5626 is how much? So here 56 is the mass number and 26 is the atomic number or the number of protons. So mass number is equal to protons plus neutrons, and neutrons is equal to mass number minus protons. So 56 minus 26 would be equal to 30. So the number of neutrons is 30. Which of the following radiation have least penetrability? So the ability of radiation to pass through matter is called penetration power. Since alpha particles cause a large amount of ionization, a sheet of paper is enough to stop them. Phytomenadione is vitamin K, more specifically vitamin K1. It is used as a dietary supplement. The rate-limiting step in glycolysis is catalyzed by the enzyme phosphofructokinase. Next question is, what is spirit of salt? So hydrochloric acid, HCl, is known as the spirit of salt. Next one, which of the following is useful in cyanide poisoning? The answer for that is sodium thiosulfate. A combination of sodium thiosulfate and sodium nitrite is generally used in cyanide poisoning. Nitrous oxide is stored in blue-colored cylinder. The true antagonist of morphine is naloxone. That is naloxone. Ninth question. Mahuang is another name for which of the following? It is ephedra. An adulterant of digitalis leaves is Verbascum thapsus. A. Option A. Which of the following is anti-estrogen? The correct answer for that is clomiphene. Option B, clomiphene. Uterine relaxants are also known as tocolytics. They inhibit uterine contractions. They are medications used to suppress premature labor, through which route ipratropium bromide is administered. It is administered through inhalation route, ipratropium bromide. It is used to treat symptoms of COPD and asthma. Which of the following is fourth generation cephalosporin? Cefepime is the answer. Option C, cefepime. Example for a typical antipsychotic is option C, olanzapine. Fluoxetine is an example of selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, or SSRIs. They are widely used type of antidepressants. Digoxin acts on by inhibiting sodium-potassium ATPase. Ankle edema is a frequent adverse effect of nifedipine. Nifedipine is a calcium channel blocker which is used to lower BP. Next one, which of the following is potassium-sparing diuretic? Answer is A, eplerenone. Which vitamin is given along with INH to reduce risk of neurotoxicity? INH is isoniazid, and the answer is pyridoxine. The first Pharmacy Council of India was started functioning in 1949. First Pharmacy Council. For the constitution of State Pharmacy Council, the respective state governments have to nominate dash government analyst. Answer is 1 government analyst. Which of the defectin and emulsion make most unstable? Answer is cracking. Cracking is the separation of layers of emulsion. For example, oil and water are clearly separated and does not recombine. That way, cracking happens. Approximate chemical formula of bleaching powder is. In this case, the answer is C, CaOCl, Cl. Bleaching powder is also known as calcium hypochlorite. Which antiviral drug is found to be useful in Parkinsonism? The answer is D, amantadine. Who is responsible for preparation and maintenance of first register? Answer is State Pharmacy Councils. Option C, State Pharmacy Councils is responsible for maintenance of first register. Which of the following drugs shows immunosuppressant activity? Levamisole. Neuroleptic agents are also known as major tranquilizers. Option B, major tranquilizers. Extrapyramidal side effects are common with chlorpromazine. It is an antipsychotic, so extrapyramidal side effects include tremor, slurred speech, akathisia, dystonia, anxiety, etc. Which of the opium alkaloid is benzyl isoquinoline derivative? Papaverine. Weakly acidic drugs are better absorbed from acidic pH. Weakly acidic drugs are better absorbed from stomach, which has a pH of 1.4 to 2. Pick out cholinesterase reactivator, pralidoxime. Ondansetron act by antagonism of 5-HT3 receptor. Which one is an important drug in paracetamol poisoning? N-acetylcysteine is the antidote for paracetamol poisoning. Which of the following is a good uricosuric agent? These are drugs which increase excretion of uric acid in urine and thus is used in patients with gout. Example for ultra-short-acting barbiturate is methotrexate, butobarbitone and amylobarbitone are intermediate-acting, and secobarbitone is short-acting. Next question is, ototoxicity and nephrotoxicity is common with which class of antibiotics? Aminoglycosides. Failure of kidneys to eliminate aminoglycosides will result in very high blood levels of this, even with therapeutic doses that can cause further renal and vestibular damage. That is oto and nephrotoxicity. Which of the following is a selective MAO-B inhibitor? The correct answer is salicylic. Which of the following is heparin antagonist? It is protamine sulfate. B, protamine sulfate. Gray baby syndrome is associated with chloramphenicol poisoning. It is a type of circulatory collapse that can occur in premature and newborn infants. The chemical group of glycyrrhizin is saponin. World Diabetes Day is 14th of November. BCG vaccination gives protection against tuberculosis. Curved warty trichomes are present in senna. Artemisinin is antimalarial. Which of the following is a peripherally acting muscle relaxant? Dantrolene. Example for alpha-glucosidase inhibitor, miglitol. Which of the following is called Indian gum? Acacia. Which of the following emulsifiers have highest HLB value? Sodium lauryl sulfate. Example for aromatase inhibitor is letrozole. It is a drug that is used to treat early breast cancer in women after surgery or menopause.